have a hardwood guitar hanger. This is a 2-pack rotatable hardwood guitar hanger with screws. This is great for ukuleles, bass, electric or acoustic guitars, even banjos and mandolins. Pretty much any stringed instrument that will fit. It also comes with adjustable stoppers. These 2 unique stoppers, which I haven't seen on other guitar hooks. Stabilize the neck of your guitar. You could adjust the stoppers to the desired position, hang it, prop it, and display it. This avoids dropping and risk with the guitar wall mount. The wall hangers are capable of holding 22 pounds of musical instruments. They've included a sleek, soft padded sleeve to prevent scratches and damage to the instrument. What makes this unique is the solid hardwood base crafted from natural wood. It has a premium quality and gorgeous look. It outshines other guitar holders. And it's self-explanatory how to install. Super easy. Mounting screws and drywall anchors are included and should install in minutes.